This is an example of forward hedge and money market hedge. It is very similar to the problems you have on your quiz and on your practice quiz. So let's first look at what we have. So we have 180 days US interest rate at 8%, 180-day British interest rate at 9%, 180-day forward British pound at $1.50, and spot rate of British pound at $1.48. So Riverside Corp will receive $400,000, 400,000 pounds in 180 days from the United States. So, and the company wants to know if it's better to use forward hedge or money market hedge. So let's start with forward hedge. This is a very simple one-step calculation. You are supposed to receive 400 pounds in 180 days. So what is going to be the forward rate in 180 days on the British pound? It's going to be $1.50. Simple as that. You do $400,000 pounds times your $1.50, and you pretty much receive $600,000 in 180 days. Okay? Now, money market hedge is actually a free step problem, or I call it the free special steps. That's all you need. Step 1, you will have to borrow pounds at 9% and convert them into USD. So you'll take your 400,000 pounds and then divide it by 1 plus 0.09, which is the percentage of British interest rate in 180 days. So right now you will have to borrow 366,972,000 pounds. Now, the company receives back 400,000 pounds in 180 days, so they will be able to pay off the loan without any issues. Step 2, and obviously the rest is for them. Now, in step 2, you will take your borrowed 366,972 pounds and convert them to USD, to the dollar, and for that, you will use your spot rate right now, right? Because you're getting the money from the bank right now, so you will be actually converting it right now. Because the moment you get the money, you just don't put it in the bank to accumulate 0.25%. You will not make any money. Companies, the money has to work. It has to work for itself and turn around. So they will borrow the money and make transfer it into US dollar, because then they want to invest it at 8% in United States, not at 0.25 in the bank. They have an opportunity to invest it at 8%, so they will do that. So at the end of 180 days, when they put the pounds into dollars, which hold on, I'm going to calculate that for you. 366 72 times 1.48, 972 times 534. So that's this will be 534. Oops, $118. You will invest this money in at 8% interest, and in 188 days, it's going to be worth $586,000, 569,000. That seems like a lot of money. However, you have to look at other options you have hedging. So when company gets money and they know they have to pay something, they always do at least 2 or 3 hedging techniques in order to realize what's better for them. So this will give us $600,000 in 180 days, the forward hedge, while this will only net us $569,000. So obviously when we compare them, for us, what would be better? The company is located in United States, right? So they're getting the pounds in 180 days. So what's better for them? Let it go to the forward hedge and use the forward rate, or use this money market complicated hedge. No, they will definitely go with the $600,000 because the forward hedge, because that's going to give them more money. And this is how you look at forward and money market hedge and how you calculate it. So when you go to your practice quiz, in your quiz, and you see money market hedge, always remember it's 3 steps. Borrow pounds or borrow currency. Then obviously convert it to the currency where the company is located. So if this is United States, the company will transfer, you will transfer it into USD, and then invest it at the local rate where the company is located, and see how much it is going to net you at the end of the period that you're hedging for. Hope this made it clear and a little bit more straightforward when you're calculating your problems.